Welcome to Wellington, Ontario, a peaceful waterfront village in the heart of beautiful Prince Edward County. Today, we're taking a relaxing 4K walking tour through one of Ontario's most charming small-town destinations, where quiet streets, historic architecture, and the calm waters of Lake Ontario come together to create the perfect escape. As we walk through Wellington, you'll notice the slower pace of life here. Cozy cafes, local boutiques, welcoming patios, and beautiful lakeside views make this town feel warm, timeless, and incredibly peaceful. Originally known as Smokeville, in the late 1700s, Wellington later became an important farming and fishing community before evolving into the vibrant tourist destination we know today. Prince Edward County itself is famous for its wineries, scenic countryside, fresh local food, and stunning shorelines stretching along Lake Ontario. With over 500 kilometers of waterfront, the county has become one of Canada's most loved road trip destinations. Walking here feels different. The sound of the water, the fresh county air, and the peaceful atmosphere create a sense of calm that's hard to find in busy city life. Whether you're visiting for a weekend getaway, wine tours, beach escapes, or simply to slow down and reconnect with nature, Wellington offers a truly unforgettable experience. If you enjoy cinematic walking tours, hidden gems, and beautiful destinations across Canada, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the journey with OffStreetClicks.